Hello everyone. Today we shall learn how to transform a shape through dilation or enlargement in coordinate plane. Dilation is a transformation where a figure is reduced or enlarged by the given scale factor with respect to a point called center of dilation. Now we know that which one is the enlarged shape of A. So A shape is here. It is having 1, 2, 3, 4 squares on the horizontal and 3 squares on the vertical line. So we check now which one is having with the ratio of this 4 and 3 from these figures. So here we see that C is the figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 units to the this is 12 units on the horizontal line and 9 unit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 9 unit vertical line. So it is 4 and 3. So if we multiply 4 with 3 we got here 12, and if we multiply 3 with 3 we got here 9, and we got that if we multiply both horizontal and vertical units with the single factor which is 3, then we get the same as we got the shape C. So it means that C is the enlarged figure of A with the scale factor 3. Now look here for G. We know that G is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 on x-axis and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on y-axis. So here we got to know that when we multiply this 4 by 2, we got 8. Okay. And when we multiply this 3 on the vertical side with 2 as well, we got 6. This shows 2 is the scale factor with which we multiply the coordinates of A or the units of A horizontal and vertical lines. We got the same as with G. So we can say G is enlarged figure of A with the scale factor 2. Okay. But here if E, we look at it E is if we divide 4 by 2. If we divide 4 by 2, we got 2. So it is 2 here on the x-axis, right? So it becomes 2. And if we divide 3 by 2, we get here 1.5. So you see that this is 1 and this is 0.5. So E is the enlarged or dilated figure with the scale factor 1 by 2. Means you are multiplying 4 with 1 by 2 to get 2. So scale factor is 1 by 2 here. Now let us do practically. Enlargements are described using two pieces of information. One is scale factor, the size of enlargement, and the center of enlargement, that's a position from which the shape is enlarged. That's the thing we shall learn now with this example. Enlarge the triangle ABC using the scale factor of 2. Center of enlargement is 1 and 1. You can see here, this is the point 1 and 1 here. This is the enlargement 1 and 1 of coordinate. So scale factor of 2 means each distance from the center of enlargement to the each vertex doubles. So vertex, a corner of a shape. So if we move to go to A, we move 1 unit right and 1 unit up. So the vector, we shall get that how we are getting to A dash. We multiply both of A and A, 1 and 1 with 2, we get here 2 doubled. So 2 to the right, 2 to up. Now we have A dash here. Next, for B, we get here 1 to right and 3 up. So if we multiply 1 by 2, we get 2 to right and 3 times 2 will be 6 up. So it becomes B dash. Then we look here, 4 to the right and 1 up. So 4 will be doubled. It will be 8 to the right and 2 up. So it becomes C dash. Now we join them and we got the enlarged figure ABC to A dash B dash C dash with the scale factor 2 from the word point of enlargement or center of enlargement, which is 1 and 1. Now look, enlarge the shape with the scale factor of 3. Center of enlargement is 3 and 0. So where is the center of enlargement? Look here, if it is like this, 3 and 0, this point is here. Look, we may need to move to A. This means the vector we have moved to A from this point of center of enlargement. So this is 3 and 0, right? So it is moving. A is the vector 1, 1 to up, but there is no right and left. So we say 0 and 1. This is vector representation. This 0 is at x-axis and 1 is on y-axis. So we have moved A from this point. This one is 0 and 1. But when we have to find out how much should be A dash, so A dash will be multiply the scale factor 3. So we multiply this scale factor by 3 and we got A dash 0 and 3. So these are not the coordinates. This is the vector through which we can move A to A dash. So here this A 0 on x-axis no change, but 0 it will be 1, 2 and 3. So A dash will become here. This is movement from 3 times upward of A. So now we look for B. B is, what's the vector of B? Vector of B is from this point of center of enlargement, 1 unit, 2 unit to the right. So 2 unit to right will be positive 2. And from here, 2 unit up. So it is 2 unit up. So B dash will be times 3. It will be 6 unit right and 6 unit up. So we look here, what we do, from here we move 6 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This became C dash. Basically, this was C and this is C dash because 2 units up are C. And if we look for B, B is 2 units to right and 1 unit up. So 2 to right and 1 unit up, it will be B dash. It will be 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 times 3 is 3. Right? So same here we check for D dash. So D is how many? Nodes left and right. So only 0 for X and 3 units to upward. So here it will be D dash will be 0 and 3 times 3 is 9. Now look, we are going to move these all points here. Do 6 and 3. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2 and 3. This one is B dash. And D dash will be 0 and 9. From here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right? This is D dash. Now we are going to join all these points and we get the shape A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash, which is enlarged figure of the scale factor 3 from the center 3 and 0. Next now, enlarge this shape with the scale factor 2 and center is 5 and 6. Where is 5 and 6? 5 and this is going to be 6 here. This is the center of enlargement. And the scale factor is 2. So first of all, we look here, what is the vector of A from this center of enlargement? So we look here, A, and then the vector B, and then vector C. A is 2 units to left. So if we move left, it will be negative. So here it is -2. And then we from here you move 1 unit up. So it is 1. B is 2 units to the right and 1 unit up. 2 unit right and 1 unit up. And here look here, C is 2 unit left, 2 units down. So it will be -2 and -2. So when we multiply all these with 2, so we get here A dash, which is -4 and 2. Now we multiply this by 2, B dash is 4 and 2. And here C dash will be -4 and -4. Now make the movement of A dash, B dash, C dash from the point here. So if we look for A dash, -4 to right, to left and 2 up. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and 2 up. This becomes A dash. Here for B, 2 and 1 will become 4 and 2. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 2. This is B dash. And C is C dash -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is C dash to negative. Now we join them and we get the answer. Right? So this is the enlargement of a shape with the scale factor 2, center of enlargement 5 and 6. Let's try this. Enlarge the rectangle by scale factor of 2 with these centers of enlargement. So first of all, we try with A. A has the center of enlargement 1 and 4. So here 1 and this one is 4. Center of enlargement is 1 and 4. So we look how we can enlarge it by the scale factor 2. Look, if we like here A, this is B, C and D. So we again write A, B, C and D, and the vectors we have it. A is 0 and -1. 0 and -1. B is 0 on x-axis, nothing to move right or left, so 3 down. So 0 and -3. D is 1, 2, 3 right and 1 down. So 3 right, 3 right and 1 down, -1. So if we look for C, so it is 3 right and 3 down. So this is -3. So now we have the scale factor 2. So A dash will be 0 and -2. B dash will be 0 and -6. C dash will be 6 and -6. And D dash is 6 and -2. All right. Now we draw it. A dash is 0 and -2. 0 and -2. So from here, we are going to make this 0 and we are moving this A dash. So here this one is A dash, the point. Then B dash is 0 and -6. From here 0 and this comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we reach here. This one is B dash. Then 6 and -6, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and -6 is here. This is C dash and D dash is 6 and -2. 6 here and -2 is here. So this one is D dash. Now we join these points and we get here the enlarged figure, okay, of A. That's it. Hope you understood how we dilate or enlarged a figure with any of the multiple of any of the factor, scale factor, and from any other point of or center of enlargement. So if you have understood the concept and like the video, just kindly press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. If you haven't done it yet, kindly click on the bell icon too. so that you don't miss out any upcoming videos from People's Mentor. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.